Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to process a sale on credit using Chromis POS. This is a very useful feature if you allow your customer to take goods now and pay later. But by the end of this video, you will know how to sell on credit, link the sale to a customer, and record a payment when the customer comes back to settle their debt. Firstly, you need to go inside Chromis POS. Now it's going to load in. I'm going to select my user, and here we are. Here is the main desk. Here is where I'm going to record the details of the customer. I will put the ID of the customer is 460, and I will tell him Donald Reza, and I'll say DR as a search key, and I'll make it active. Then also here I must put him as a maximum limit that I can give to him. Let me say 800. Then I can also add all this information about the customer and save. Now Donald Reza is already my customer on the system. If Donald Reza is coming back to make a sale, I have to look for probably here DR and execute. Donald Reza will come out. And now I'm linking the sale to Donald Reza. This one is a confirmation that I'm linking the sale to Donald Reza. Donald Reza came and he told me that he need 5 of Amstel. 5 of Amstel. And after that, I give also Donald Reza 6 black labels. And also I give him 4 Unduk Lager. But here, if I'm going to the payment, I'm gonna click here, and it must be a debt because Donald Reza didn't give me money or anything. Here, if I select debt, it's gonna show me the maximum debt which Donald Reza can accept on the system. And if I say okay, it will make a print of a receipt which shows how that the current debt of Donald Reza now is 358. Including all these products and the Donald Reza and the customer number, customer account number. It shows me everything about Donald Reza. Even after I can come back into the system and check. Yeah, this is the card. Donald Reza. If I run a report, it shows me the current date of Donald Reza 358, and the date is 1st of August 2005. Probably Donald Reza come back to make a payment. I must go here on the customer payments and select Donald Reza, and now I want him to pay. Probably he comes to pay back. He gives me 100 rand, which is cash, and now I say okay. Automatically it will deduct on Donald Reza's current date, and it will show me that the current date of Donald Reza now is 200. And at the end of the day also it shows me that the debt paid is 100 rand, which is the case here. It will show me all the details about how the debt has been paid. So basically this is how to make a credit sale on the Chromis POS. This is how really to make a credit sale. Thank you very much. Subscribe. If you have problem, we can also assist you, or we can also do some customization and give you a full training about how this system works. This is a creative software that all business should utilize. It has a lot of functions which other point of sale doesn't have.